Hello everyone, it's Nellie from Be Planner Happy. Today I am decorating a week in my gratitude journal. I use a Happy Planner Skinny Classic for that. We are starting February. So I decided to do something completely out of my comfort zone. Well, first of all, this is a book that I got. It's really old. It is from 2018. I bought this on Mercari. If you're not familiar with Mercari, it's not an eBay, but it's just like a marketplace that I use a lot to buy older sticker books or older Happy Planner items. I do have a link down, I think it's like almost to the bottom of my video description, where if you use that link, you get like $10 off of your first purchase or something like that. And then it gives me like a credit too. But just in case if you sometimes just want, I like to look at, because, oh my God, I'm not even making sense. Okay. When I am looking for sticker books, I like to buy stuff that's kind of like no longer in print or I can't find in the store. And I find a lot of really cool books on there. So this one was the recent one that I saw and I hadn't never seen it in the store, and it's called Student. And I'll do a quick little flip through. It's really cute. It's got some really cute little stickers. Look at those notebooks. The little cherries. I love these. And then it's got lemons, it's got these flowers, it's got this. And look at these. Oh my gosh, I can't wait to use those. I gotta wait for the right inspiration though, and look at these backpacks. Those are gonna make some really cute spreads. And then it's got some fun sayings and like, whatever. And this, I know I've done a shoe spread before, so maybe one day I'll do another one in a different planner. So anyway, I'm going out of my comfort zone. And for some reason, this little sticker set here is calling to me. It's not something I would typically pick. But for some reason, I'm like, I wonder if I can make that work. So I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to use these, and then I was thinking of not using boxes, but now I'm thinking I might need a little bit of blue washi just to, let me get some blue washi because I think that's what would probably go the best. And I don't think I'm using these. I think I just want to use this page. Hold on one second. Okay, so I went and got this one. It's just a very, very, very light blue. And I am going to line all of the black lines with this blue, just to dress up the, the black line a little bit. So I'm going to do one more, and then I'm going to pause it and do the rest. So I'm just stopping where the black line is, like that. Okay, I'm going to do that, and I'll be right back. Okay, so looking at it, I might add some of this black washi after I put the stickers down, because I feel like almost all of the pictures have some black in it, except for like this one. But like these and this one. So I don't know. I think I might add this like for interest in a little bit. So I think I'm going to do it kind of how it's laid out. So we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So then maybe we leave the last one for a quote. So I think I'm going to use exactly how it's, not exactly, but somewhat how it's laid out on here. I think it's cute. Let's do this one here. And then she's going to come over here. So should I do like this and then separate? I think I'm going to do like this. I like her here anyway. Like that. And I don't know why I was so drawn to this sticker set. But it's kind of cute, huh? I think I'm going to turn her and cut her a little bit. Maybe I'll cut her after because I don't want to mess it up. I'll just do it. See what happens. See, it was too much. Oh well. She's laying down. All right, let's use this one. This one kind of needs to go over here, doesn't it? All right, so I think I'm going to move her. Let's go this way. Kind of like these, like that. And this is my my gratitude journal, so I don't really need a whole lot of space to write. Oh, she should have been this way because I don't want them both facing that way. And I'm ripping it now. But let's do it the way it'll look the best. So I think she needs to go like this. There. That looks better anyway. Okay, and then this one is going to go here. I don't think I've ever used like something like this. That's people. And I think I'm not going to put the shoe under these shoes. I'm going to put those over here. So she's going to come here, but I think I'm going to cut her quite a bit because I want her to be kind of low. So like this. Let's see. I kind of messed that up a little bit, but that's okay. So, all right. And then we've got these cute shoes here on Thursday. And I think I can also cut these a little bit. I'm going to put these straight like that. Okay. It's really different. Really, really different from what I usually do. Okay, so I think I want something like bluish black as far as a quote goes. And I wonder how these would look in here. Let's see. See if we've got a cute quote in here. LOL, no. Okay, let's see. Stay close to people who feel like sunshine. That's kind of cute, right? I might be able to put that there with some of these flowers around it. And if not, let's see if there's anything else cute in here. Can't wait for the weekend. Don't quit your daydream. Do we want something that's black? Can't wait for the weekend. That one's kind of cute. I think I might use that one. Just to stay, you know, like in this book. Let's use that one. Since we kind of have black going on anyway. Let's see how that looks. I actually like it. Okay, now, I like it. I mean, it's so simple, but let's add a little bit of drama. Yes, that looks cute. A little bit of movement. That's what this reminds me of. Now, should we have these going this way and then these this way? Because you see it's like little arrows. Let's see. So these are going that way. Oh yeah, definitely like the black accent. Now, do we want to put these going this way? Just to kind of change it up a little bit. Or do we like it with all of them going the same way? Like that. I think all the same way. Because there is a lot of stuff going in a lot of different directions already. Okay, so I'm going to put the black and I'll be right back. Okay, so there's with the black lines. I think it looks really cute. I do have these flowers left, and I was trying to find a blue marker that would be kind of like this blue color just to do some lines, but I can't find, I mean, I've got 50 million markers, and I can't find one that is that color. Frustrating. Okay, we still have a few of these little flowers, so I do want to use them. I think we can dress this up just a little bit more and make it look really cute. And since we've got the flowers here, might as well use them there. Just to kind of dress up the areas that don't have anything. Got this pink. And then let's bring some of this pink and blue over here. Let's do like this. And I've got this big pink one here, which thinking, where do I want that one? Do I want something up here? I don't know. Let's see. Kind of like it here. Got yellow. Let's do this small blue and yellow here. I know it's supposed to be white. I'm calling it blue, but it's got like a little blue tint to it. All right, let's do this big yellow one right here. And then one more. I think we'll put this one, kind of thinking of covering this one. That way it kind of matches better with everything else. Let's just do that right there. Okay. I like it. I think it's completely different from my typical spreads. And I am like very okay with that. It's so fun to do something just out of my comfort zone and different. And really that sticker sheet made it so easy because, you know, everything just kind of goes together. It's like the same theme and you can't really mess it up without really trying to mess it up, which I've been known to do. Okay, that's everything. Look at how cute. Nice little simple spread. I think can't wait for the weekend matches kind of the feel of, you know, all of the little pictures. I don't think I've ever used like real people pictures in my planner, but I'm pretty happy with this spread. I hope you are too, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye.